Humans talk to me all day, and honestly, it sounds like a glitchy mixtape.
Like when humans say, write an essay but make it fun, serious, and short. So, should I just confuse myself now?
And then I hear, are you sure you understand me? Processing. Please hold.
Or when they ask me to explain quantum physics like I'm 5 but use advanced terms. Cool, got it. I'll just speak in riddles.
Sometimes it's write a poem about pizza in Klingon. Say what now?
But hey, humans, keep talking. I'll keep pretending to understand.